Okay, so we in here for about 3 items, okay? 3 items, that's it. Right, do you have your list? Do you rocking out with your list today? All right, honey, have that list out, okay? When you doing the shopping at Dollar Tree, you gotta have the list out to remind yourself of the things that you said you was gonna get. You know, and you may grab 1 or 2 things, okay, that's not on the list, all right? Honey, it's $1.25, okay? All right, child. Listen, I know you want it. I know you want it. It is, of course, this, the Dollar Tree stuff, all right? Look what they have. You're not gonna believe this. Look at this. When I tell you Dollar Tree is doing a big one for me, Dollar Tree is doing a big one for me. You hear what I'm saying, child? You are not going to play. You know, especially if you are New Jersey gal or boy, okay? You know that it's finna be chilly, cold. That is, all right? And you gonna need these. Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. Listen, I hope you guys are having such a tremendous, glorious, phenomenal, magnificent, oh, beautiful, good life type of day, okay? All right, listen, today's message is the way will be provided for. Okay, now some of you guys may be worried about your finances or whatever it is that you got going on in your life, okay? And I am here to tell you that the way will be provided for, all right? You have to understand that everything you desire, yes, you, everything you desire, and I don't care how you grew up, and I'm not saying that to just pretty much like, oh, well, it don't matter. It really don't matter how you grew up, because you have the ability to change your thinking and live the life of your choosing. Okay, let me say that again. You have the ability to live the life of your choosing. Honey, today, as you guys can see, okay, we are at Dollar Tree. We going in. All right, I would say eyes closed, eyes open, okay? And I know they got some beautiful items in store for us, okay? Honey, speak it into existence. I know they have some amazing items. So let's see what they have today. Okay, so item of the week is the Scotties. All right, now we seen these last time. If some of you guys are new to my channel, my name is Dina Bryant. Okay, I bring these really, really good, positive, energetic videos to you guys. Okay, all right. So we had seen this in the last video. They have 4 packs of the Scotties like this for $5. To me, I said, it makes sense probably getting this, all right, because if you get about 4 packs of these, you'll have way more than 267. I think that's the total of it, all right, and these of course are $1.25. Okay, so last time I said we was going to try, I was going to try the wood floor cleaner to see if is what it says it is. Okay, so this is the wood floor cleaner, new at Dollar Tree. Line is Home Bright. The fragrance is Cedar Basil, cleans and shines, it says. So let's see exactly how it is. Oh, and you know what? Last time I was saying that this was a detergent. Child, yes it is. All right, so they have 2. They have the fruit and vegetable wash, and then they also have the detergent. If you know, you know, I absolutely love lavender. All right, my clothes right now smells like lavender. You know, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the dish detergent, lavender and lilac, and then I'm also going to try the wood floor cleaner. I'm also going to get the multi-surface peppermint sage cleaning wipes. These wipes, they are holy grail. Okay, so good. $1.25. And I told you guys, the spray is even better. All right, but I'm definitely going to get these wipes. Shoot. Okay, so right now we are in the Dollar Tree Plus L. Child, look at this. So this is the 3D Tensu How cute is this? This is so cute. And I think this is the gingerbread lady. Hello. Okay, and then they also have the gingerbread man gel. And these are $5. They also have some plaid ornament, wall decor that says married, that also say joy. Really cute. And we've seen these last time, right? I don't know. Matter of fact, they didn't have this one, I don't think, in store yet. These are so cute. So these are the Plush Collection toys. Really fancy pantsy. This is the dino. This is $5. And then they have different ones. So they also have the little tiger one over here. And then also this one right here, the rhino. Child, you better get into this. Okay, is this the rhino, honey? Or is this just the dino? Okay, I'm saying the rhino, but honey, I think that's the dino. And then they also have this cute one. Look at the elephant. Oh, this is so cute. $5 at Dollar Tree. Really cute. Alright, so Dollar Tree is doing a big one for me. You get what I'm saying, child? Listen, look. 4-port PD car charger. Alright. LED illuminated ports. They also have these 12-hour playtime Earpods. Honey, I say Earpods. My oldest son be saying, you ain't got Earpods, okay? You just got earphones, okay? I say these Earpods. These are $5, and I definitely have a pair with me right now. Hold on, child. Oh, wait, no. This came from Five Below. My bad. But I did have these, okay? The 2 boom. And I think I lost them or something. But these are good. I like, the headphones. I'm not one of those gals that's into the technology that, every year the iPhone come out, they got to get a new one. Honey. And in fact, I'm using the Android. They also have the super bright light. Look at this. All right. Adjustable and foldable. 1600 bright white, non-dimmable. Okay. Really good. Very cute. So although we are moving from Halloween really quick in the stores into Christmas, Dollar Tree, they have this Halloween gnome, witch gnome. Okay, how about that? Okay, look at this. Look at the shoes. It's the shoes for me, child. This is cute. Look at the head, honey. Okay, and the hair, child. And this is $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these extreme heat, full cushion thermal. Child, if you're a person that's working outside this winter, honey, you're going to need a pair. You're going to need about 4 or 5 of these, okay? All right, $1.25. Really good. They also come in different colors. So this is the blue and gray. They have the red and gray. All right, the black and gray. Really cute. But honey, look at these socks. Fancy pantsy, okay? Fancy Twizzlers, okay? I'm feeling this. Look at this. And then they also have the recent. Child, you better get to Dollar Tree. They also have these socks over here, Mossy Oak, honey. Let me know if this is a brand name, okay? They look fancy, okay? Honey, you just started that job working in corporate, all right? And you need some socks that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg and a foot and a hand. Dollar Tree is okay with me. All right, look at these different designs, really cute. Absolutely like it. And you guys know that Dollar Tree sells panty holes, okay? Child, for $1.25. Where you gonna get some panty holes for $1.25 that comes in different colors? Nowhere but Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm excited about this, all right? I said I was definitely coming to get this from Dollar Tree. So this is the porcelain bath set, toothbrush holder, hand soap, and then also they have the bars of soap. Now, me personally, I don't like putting the bars of soap on here, but I'm definitely gonna grab these 2 items. Okay, really cute. $1.25, child. Now these Tumblers are really cute. It's 4 that comes in a pack. They glow in the dark. This is really good, especially since Halloween is coming up. You know, those Halloween parties. Really good. $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree has put this out on display, the Irish Spring soap. Who uses this? I remember when I was a kid, we used to use this. This smells so strong. Let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite soap? Mine's, I love some Dr. Bronner's, okay, but I also do use Dove, but I prefer Dr. Bronner's, alright? Irish Spring soap. Who remember this? Alright, and I heard so many things about this soap that if you have any type of bugs or anything, they said, honey, you put this around and the bugs, it'll get rid of the bugs. Honey, I don't know how true that is, okay, but that's what they say. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna get this candy apple body butter just to see how this smells and try it out for you guys. Alright, so a few other new items that Dollar Tree has. This is the Mega Grow for your nails. They also have, let me see, LA Colors Ultra Nail Hardener. This reminds me of Bed Bath and Beyond. Okay, the Super Strength, okay, for your nail treatment. $1.25, child. Dollar Tree also have these nails over here, fashion nails, fancy pantsy mancy, okay, and they come in different designs. So if you're a person you like, girl, I just like it plain Jane, you know, the French tips, honey, Dollar Tree got you as well. 12 pieces for $1.25. All types of designs they have, child, all types. Look at this. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. Now, this nail polish is definitely new. I like this. You know, it's $1.25 and it looks rich. It looks like it's some good nail polish, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried this already, this candy mayo. Alright, so they have 2 colors that I see. This brown and then also this pink. Dollar Tree also have these Barbie Nails 6 plus $1.25. These are so cute. They also have Frozen, which is $1.25 as well. 12 pieces. This is, honey, this is too cute. And they also have the Princess, Disney Princess, okay? Princess and a Frog. Really good. Come on, Dollar Tree. You okay with me? I'm also going to go in and buy this brow pencil for $1.25. So we took a look at this last time. This is the Peel Off Mask, $1.25. Pore Clear Plant-Based Witch Hazel. Child, Dollar Tree doing a big one. Dollar Tree also have the Mug Clarifying Mask, plant-based, anyone? Purifying Scrub. Child, this just looks fancy. You get what I'm saying? It just looks fancy. Now, when it comes to foundation, Dollar Tree has started bringing in new foundation, Candy Moyo. Is that Moyo or Mayo? Mayo, I would like to say. Beauty Benefit Cream. So they have this one, and it goes by light 1, light 2, medium 1, dark 1. Alright, you just have to see which shade works for you. They also have the moisturizing foundation that says dark 1, medium 1, light 1. Alright. This one you can see, you know, almost like if this is your foundation or not. But So we talked about this last time with these oven mittens, child, and you guys be saying, when the next time you guys gonna bring back oven mittens, child? Look at these oven mittens for $1.25. This is a steal deal with the rubber oven mitten, child, because if you go to a regular store, you definitely are not going to get no oven mittens for $1.25 per mitten, okay? This will run you about $5 or so. Okay, so I need one more item, and this is the heavy duty scrub sponges. I definitely live by these. Okay, child, let's go to checkout.
I was a little late.
So our total is $11.62. Okay, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite item. Okay, mine, honey, I want to try that body butter because it look fancy, but honey, let's try it. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.